everyone. It's me, Terry, of the Yarn Joy Podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas 2024, Day 8. How's everybody doing? I hope you've had today's Sunday, so I hope you've had a wonderful weekend. It was wet and drippy and cold, and we just kind of stayed around here. But it was nice. I worked on projects. Okay, so yesterday my scrap ball that I put into my happily stained blanket, well, that's the name of the tutorial. That's the pattern that I'm using for my blanket. It is on Be Creative Crafts, and I will link that tutorial down below in the description box. So that is the pattern I'm using for my scrap balls, and I put my scrap ball in yesterday. So I want to show you my progress. Okay, so I had to attach my new skein of white for my main color. It's Red Heart Super Saver. So here is the color. I had this blue color yesterday. So this is what it's looking like so far. I did measure it, and I think I mentioned, that it's about 42 inches wide, something like that. And so that's what I've got now. This is with 7 different colors. So for my first 7 days of Vlogmas. So it's getting to be a good size. Okay, so the movie that I watched yesterday when I was crocheting this blanket was The Bishop's Wife here on YouTube. And I really enjoyed that. I watch it every year. I think it is. I think it was made in 1947, possibly. It's the one with Cary Grant in it. Anyway, so and it's not Irene Dunne. It was Loretta Young that was in it. I don't know why I keep thinking Irene Dunne when I think of some of these movies. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I watched, and I enjoyed it very much. So the scrap ball that I'm putting in for today is, I already found day 8. So let's get a better look at this color here. Looks like a kind of a maroonish color, or burgundy. Okay, sorry for the crinkling. Whoop. There it goes. So yeah, this color is kind of I don't know what color you call that. It's a pretty color though. Kind of a purpley red, sorta-ish. More red than purple though. So that color is going to be going right on top of that blue. And so the movie that I'm going to be watching for today is The Muppets Christmas Carol. My friend Amy was talking about that the other day. She was saying, that they watched it, every year. And I was like, I forgot about that movie. And so I was even thinking maybe we had it on DVD. I know we have the Muppets Treasure Island. This was back when my boys were little, and I know we had that on DVD. I was thinking we had the Muppets Christmas Carol on DVD, but maybe not. But I did find it over on Disney Plus, and we do have that. So that's where I'm going to be watching it. In fact, my husband, he says, I'll watch it with you. So we'll watch it together, sometime today. So that is the movie that I'm going to be watching. And of course, this is a Vlogmas swap that I am doing with Terri of All Yarned Up. I will link her channel down in the description box, so you can check out the videos that she's making for Vlogmas, and see the things that I've been giving her, my side of the swap. So go ahead and check those videos out. Okay, and then the Christmas song, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this Christmas song for today, I picked Oh Holy Night. I just have a small little information about it from history.com. And so this is what I found. Oh Holy Night started out as a French poem written in 1843. And then, of course, I can't pronounce it, but the poem was called Minuet, and then some word that I can't pronounce. But the poem was written by Placide Cappeau. Don't know if I pronounced that right either. It was set to music in either 1843 or 1847, according to the competing contemporary sources. The song first gained popularity in France, and then it made its way to the United States. In 1855, Unitarian minister and abolitionist John Sullivan Dwight, he translated the song to English. Okay, and then it says Dwight's translation included a line that doubled as a political statement in the lead up to the Civil War, which I didn't realize that. On Christmas Eve in 1906, "O Holy Night" made history as one of the first songs played in a radio broadcast. What began as a simple French carol has become a universal hymn, a song of resilience, compassion, and profound spiritual reflection for people worldwide. So that's what I found about "O Holy Night." I will find a clip, or I will find "O Holy Night" here on YouTube, and I will link down below in the description box so you can click on it and listen to the song. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the chocolate Advent calendar. Day 8 is right here. Okay, it looks like it's like a star, I guess. Yeah, a star. Pretty. Okay, and then let's go ahead and get the ornament out of the Advent pockets back there, and we'll see what today's ornament is. Okay, so today's ornament is a Christmas stocking. So this is one I believe you make a granny square, and depending on how you fold it, maybe. I've never made one, so this one is one that said I made, because I've never made one, but it's cool. It looks like it's a granny square, but then the part that makes the toe looks like it's a little bit different, and then you fold it in half. Looks like it's a solid granny square on maybe on one side, and the rest is granny stitch. Possibly looks like that's what that is. Anyway, and then you fold it in half, and then you single crochet around it on this one edge where it's open, and then you single crochet them together the rest of the way, it looks like. Very cute. So let me go ahead and I will put it on the Advent tree back there. Okay, I got it hanging on the Advent tree there. Okay, let's see. What else was I supposed to do? I think that was it. So what did I work on yesterday? I did do the remaining squares that I needed to make for that summer tote bag that I'm making for a Christmas gift, and then I laid them out to see how it's going to look. I just have them laying out on the table in there. I haven't taken a picture of it, but I will show you this upcoming Thursday how it's looking, and maybe it'll be finished by then. I don't know, but in my regular podcast episode I will show it then. But anyway, I did finish the squares, and the next step is to sew them together. I think I'm going to do an invisible join to do that, because it is quite large. I didn't measure it, but it looks like it's going to be a big bag. But I was thinking, well, it's cotton. She could use it as a beach bag or something like that to take to the beach, to put the towels and things in, possibly. Anyway, I was kind of debating on whether or not to line it, but I think if I don't line it, it's going to have quite a bit of stretch to it. That might not be good. I even thought about putting a crossbody, like a long crossbody strap on it instead of the strap that was in the pattern. But I think maybe, I don't know how adventurous I feel. I think I may just not go with experimenting, and I may just do the straps just the way it says, possibly. I don't know. And like I said, then I'll decide. I might end up lining it. We'll see. We'll see how much stretch, because it is cotton. It's not acrylic, so maybe won't be as much stretch as I'm thinking, but we'll see. So anyway, that's what I worked on, and of course my blanket for Vlogmas. And I didn't work on Yoshi at all, so I need to work on him today and try to get some more, because I know the Yoshi is going to have quite a few parts to it, and right now all I have is his head and this part of his eye structures or whatever. That's it. So that I know I have to make like cheeks and the nose, and I mean there's of course the arms and the legs and tail, and there's lots of stuff for me to make. So that's going to be a goal for me today, is to try to make a bunch of those pieces. So yeah, need to do that. I do have an order for 3 monkeys that I received through email message, and luckily, the lady doesn't need them because I told her that I couldn't do it before Christmas because of all the other projects. She answered me back and she said she didn't need them until January 25th, which is awesome. And so I will be starting and working on those as soon as I get finished with the Yoshi and the tote bag, because those are Christmas gifts. But yeah, I'm excited. It's a pattern I haven't made in a long time, and so it's going to be fun to make him again. It's Milo the monkey from the Friendly Red Fox, I believe is the website. I have made him in the past, and so it's going to be fun. I'll just do like assembly. She wants 3 different colors, and so I think that's going to be fun. And of course, I'll take you along and show you my progress while, you know, when I'm making those. But anyway, yeah, that's upcoming. Okay, I'm going to go, I think, because I think I've covered all of what I'm supposed to do for Vlogmas for today. I hope you're having a wonderful end to your weekend, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Today is cold. Tomorrow is supposed to be like 78, and today is like barely like 59, I think, supposed to be the high, but then 78 tomorrow. So you never know what it's going to do. Okay. Have a great day. Come back tomorrow. We'll have a visit for Vlogmas Day 9. See you later. Bye.